So has anyone tried the Ladder Fitness app? Keep getting targeted on TikTok. Haha. So anytime you go on Facebook, you might see these workout plans where it's like $30 a month, blah, 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 this. And here's the thing about all these fitness plans that show up on ads. All of them work if you do them. Simply put as that. But at the same time, some of them, even though they will work, they might not be the best, and they could be created by somebody who has no experience with fitness and just does copy and pasting of workout routines online. That's very true, especially with AI nowadays. Even though AI is pretty accurate, you can make like basically any workout routines. Like, make me a full body workout routine on Chat GPT, and they can give you a pretty decent routine, but it doesn't show you how to do the workout. So long story short, these are something that you can do, but you could probably follow and find the exact same plan for free, looking on YouTube, looking online for just workout plans, finding different things that you like and do it. But if you just want somebody to literally like spoon feed you, here's your workout, you're doing this every day, $30 a month honestly isn't bad, because most personal training sessions might be $40 to $50 for an hour. So $30 a month for all your workouts, I don't think that's bad. But if you go into it and it just seems like this isn't the best quality, you can even ask somebody who's into fitness and show them and be like, hey, is this worth it? Is this worth the workout routine? They can probably pretty quickly tell you if it's worth it. And who knows, they might be able to make a workout routine for you, and you won't even have to shed a dime.